Hi YouTube! Today I'm going to be doing a special unboxing and installation of the dbrand Damascus skin on my Macbook Pro. I wanted to review this skin because I haven't seen any other YouTube reviews, only the drop trailer, and I was a bit surprised because this looks super sick. So, comes in a beautiful little envelope like this, very sturdy. Inside is a couple packing peanuts and very beautiful skins. So I've actually installed a dbrand MacBook skin before. I used just the matte black finish. I had the outsides covered and then also the inside trackpad as well. For this skin, I believe it's just the outside front and back covers. So here are the beautiful Holo Green Damascus skins. When I saw these, I just fell in love and knew I had to have them. I would get one for my phone, but they don't make it for my current phone, so I'm waiting to get the next phone before I get a skin in that. So the top skin is just a full rectangle with rounded edges. The back skin has little cutouts for the feet and a little strip for that hinge. This skin is a bit thicker than the other skin that I tried before. If you can see, it's quite thick. I also got a very nice dbrand cleaning cloth with my purchase. So I'm going to clean my laptop and then show you how I install it as well. So I got this laptop skin for my 15-inch MacBook Pro. I've had it for a few years now. Just wanted to give it a bit of a refresh with the skin. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is wipe down the entire surface with some isopropyl alcohol and the cleaning wipe that I got with the kit. So there's some spots that are still not coming out. I'm going to use some Windex and try that. Time to stick the case on. I put it on, however, it looks like I did it a little bit too far from this top edge here and a little bit too close to the bottom edge here. Although this is passable, it might collect some dog hair in the future, so I'm going to try to put it down again. I'm trying very hard to keep things clean while I reapply. It's very difficult when there's dust and other things flying in the air. Alright, so the front is on. It's not perfect, I must say. And I just noticed there are some air bubbles picking it up now. So I'm going to try to smooth them out. No more air pockets as I can tell. One thing I will note is that it doesn't completely come to the edge on both the top and the bottom. However, the seams for the sides are very tight. So overall, I really like it so far, and I love the hollow effect. So now we're going to do the back side. I'm hoping this will be a little bit easier because it has the foot pads. And it looks like a carbon fiber texture underneath, which is interesting. once doing the first side, I definitely learned what not to do. So this bottom piece was a lot easier to install if you just take one edge, the short edge, line that up as best you can, and then unroll across, slowly peeling it back and then pressing it down as you go. There's very little chance for air bubbles to form, and you won't have to replace it again, hopefully. So I think that's all for the bottom. I guess the only piece I have left is this top edge here, so I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, so I got the top bar on. This was a little annoying to install, and I'm not sure that it will last very long. It already feels like it's a little bit bigger than the surface, and I'm not sure if I placed it totally straight. So we will see how that wears. Another thing I want to note is that this is too long. If you can see, there's an extra little edge right there. So I guess I'm going to have to cut that. Not what I expected, but I freaking love the Holo, and I think it's a great skin. So let's see the finished montage. Overall installation was super easy and it looks super sick. The skin is glossy finish, which is a bit different from my matte finish skin. The matte skin that I had was on my older MacBook Pro, and it lasted for at least 3 years without any significant damage. So we'll see how this does over the next few weeks and months, and I will make sure to keep you updated. But I think this is a super sick skin. This was $50, and I believe the iPhone skin is $30. So it's a little pricey, but I think this look is definitely worth it. I'm planning to perhaps use this laptop when I do live sets in the future. Fingers crossed. Here's an update on my dbrand skin. It has been about a month later since I put on the skin. It still looks brand new. I was worried that the edges might collect some dog hair, but they haven't. Then again, I haven't been using this laptop every day, and I was keeping it in a case while I was traveling, so yep, everything looks pretty good. And yeah, I'm super happy with it still. I love the holographic print. Still super stoked about the skin, and no issues so far. So hope you all enjoyed this review. If you like this review, make sure to give me a like, drop a comment, or subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. Bye!
Are you recording?
Yeah.